Hello everyone, in this video I will explain 25 robotics related words with their meanings and simple examples. 26. AI planning. Using AI to generate sequences of actions for robots to achieve goals. Example: programming a robot to plan a sequence of movements to fold laundry. 27. Motion capture. Recording and analyzing a person's movements for replication by a robot. Example: capturing a dancer's movements to make a humanoid robot dance. 28. Inverse kinematics. Calculating joint angles to achieve a desired robot end-effector position. Example: configuring a robot arm to reach a specific point in space. 29. Human-robot interaction, HRI, the study of communication between humans and robots. Example: designing a robot's gestures and expressions to be understandable by humans. 30. AI ethics. Addressing moral dilemmas and biases arising from AI and robot decision-making. Example: ensuring that autonomous vehicles make ethical choices in potential accidents. 31. Soft robotics. Creating robots from flexible materials to enhance adaptability. Example: soft robotic grippers conforming to objects of various shapes for better grasp. 32. Augmented reality, AR, overlaying digital information onto the real world. Example: an AR system guiding workers to repair equipment using visual instructions. 3. Virtual reality, VR, immersive digital environments experienced through a headset. Example: using VR to simulate dangerous scenarios for training emergency responders. 34. Drones. Unmanned aerial vehicles used for various purposes, from surveillance to delivery. Example: a drone capturing aerial photographs for surveying landscapes. 35. Lidar. Light detection and ranging technology using lasers to measure distances. Example: an autonomous car using lidar to create a detailed 3D map of its surroundings. 36. Nanorobotics. Robotics at the nanoscale, often involving extremely small machines. Example: nanorobots delivering drugs directly to cancer cells for targeted therapy. 37. Swarm robotics. Coordination of large groups of simple robots to achieve tasks. Example: swarm robots working together to clean up an oil spill. 38. Telepresence. Giving users the feeling of being present at a remote location through a robot. Example: using a telepresence robot to attend a meeting from a different city. 39. Differential drive. A type of robotic motion where two wheels move at different speeds. Example: a robot moving forward by driving its left and right wheels at different rates. 40. Autonomous underwater vehicle, AUV, a robot designed for underwater exploration. Example: an AUV surveying coral reefs to monitor their health. 41. Localization and mapping, SLAM, simultaneously mapping an environment while tracking a robot's position within it. Example: a robot exploring an unfamiliar building while creating a map of its layout. 42. Humanoid robot. A robot designed to resemble and perform tasks like a human. Example: a humanoid robot helping with customer service at a shopping mall. 43. Neural networks. Computing systems inspired by the human brain used for AI tasks. Example: training a neural network to recognize handwritten digits. 44. Robotic process automation, RPA, automating repetitive tasks using software robots. Example: RPA bots handling data entry tasks in a company's HR department. 45. Remote sensing. Collecting data about the environment from a distance using sensors. Example: satellites using remote sensing to monitor changes in Earth's climate. 46. Unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, a robot designed for land-based operations. Example: a UGV used to search for survivors in disaster-stricken areas. 47. Aerial robotics. Robots designed to operate in the sky, such as drones and UAVs. Example: an aerial robot inspecting power lines for damage. 48. Bio-inspired robotics. Designing robots inspired by biological organisms and principles. Example: creating robots that move like snakes to navigate tight spaces. 49. Robotic ethics. The study of moral and ethical dilemmas arising from robotic technologies. Example: discussing the implications of AI-powered robots taking over jobs. 50. Human-centered design. Designing robots and systems with a focus on human needs and usability. Example: developing a robot interface that's intuitive and easy for non-experts to use. Thanks for watching, happy learning. Sun Wheel Academy. Content is prepared by Chakra. Please like and share and subscribe.